The essentials of gym workouts. When it comes to building an effective workout routine, having the right gym equipment is crucial. Each piece serves a specific purpose, targeting different aspects of fitness such as cardiovascular health, strength, endurance, and flexibility. Whether you are a beginner just starting your fitness journey or an experienced athlete looking to enhance your routine, understanding the role of essential gym equipment can make a significant difference. These tools not only add variety to your workouts, but also help you achieve your fitness goals more efficiently. In this guide, we'll explore the 5 most popular gym equipment items and their benefits, helping you make informed decisions about incorporating them into your regimen. Number 1. The treadmill, your cardiovascular cornerstone. The treadmill is a staple in gyms worldwide, revered for its versatility and effectiveness in cardiovascular training. Whether you prefer a brisk walk, a steady jog, or a challenging run, the treadmill can cater to all fitness levels. One of its primary benefits is the ability to simulate outdoor running conditions while providing a controlled environment. Many treadmills come equipped with adjustable speeds, incline settings, and pre-programmed workouts, allowing users to customize their sessions according to their fitness goals. Additionally, treadmill workouts are excellent for calorie burning, improving cardiovascular health, and building endurance. For beginners, starting with short, moderate-paced sessions is ideal, while advanced users can experiment with interval training to boost performance. The safety features, such as handrails and emergency stop buttons, make treadmills accessible and safe for a wide range of users. By incorporating treadmill sessions into your routine, you can enjoy a flexible and effective way to enhance your cardiovascular fitness and overall well-being. Number 2. Dumbbells, the ultimate strength training tool. Dumbbells are a cornerstone of strength training, valued for their versatility and effectiveness in targeting various muscle groups. Unlike machines, which often isolate specific muscles, dumbbells allow for a full range of motion, engaging stabilizing muscles and promoting functional strength. This makes them an excellent choice for both beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts. One of the key benefits of dumbbells is their adaptability. They can be used for a variety of exercises, including bicep curls, shoulder presses, squats, lunges, and chest flies. By simply adjusting the weight, you can scale exercises to match your strength level and fitness goals. Dumbbells also facilitate unilateral training, which helps address muscle imbalances and improve coordination. For example, single-arm rows or one-handed shoulder presses force each side of your body to work independently, ensuring balanced strength development. Additionally, dumbbells are compact and accessible, making them a popular choice for both gym and home workouts. They come in various types, such as fixed-weight dumbbells and adjustable ones, offering flexibility based on your needs and space. Incorporating dumbbells into your fitness routine can lead to significant improvements in muscle tone, strength, and overall performance. Whether you're looking to build muscle, improve endurance, or enhance stability, dumbbells provide a reliable and effective solution. Number 3. Stationary bikes. Low-impact cardio for all levels. Stationary bikes are a favorite among fitness enthusiasts for their ability to deliver an effective cardiovascular workout with minimal impact on the joints. This makes them an excellent choice for individuals of all fitness levels, including those recovering from injuries or dealing with joint pain. By simulating outdoor cycling, stationary bikes provide a controlled environment where users can focus on improving cardiovascular health, burning calories, and building lower body strength. There are several types of stationary bikes, including upright, recumbent, and spin bikes, each catering to different preferences and fitness goals. Upright bikes resemble traditional bicycles, while recumbent bikes offer a more comfortable, reclined seating position that reduces strain on the back. Spin bikes, on the other hand, are designed for high-intensity workouts and closely mimic the feel of outdoor cycling. One of the key benefits of stationary biking is its versatility. Users can adjust resistance levels to simulate flat roads, hills, or intense sprints, tailoring workouts to their individual goals. Additionally, stationary bikes are equipped with features such as heart rate monitors, pre-programmed workout modes, and adjustable seats, ensuring comfort and efficiency during sessions. By incorporating stationary bikes into your routine, you can enjoy a safe, low-impact, and highly effective cardio workout that supports overall fitness and well-being. Number 4. Resistance bands. Lightweight yet powerful. Resistance bands are an incredibly versatile and portable tool for strength training and rehabilitation. They offer a wide range of resistance levels, making them suitable for beginners, advanced athletes, and everyone in between. Unlike traditional weights, resistance bands rely on elastic tension to create resistance, which can help improve strength, flexibility, and mobility without putting excessive stress on the joints. One of the primary advantages of resistance bands is their portability. They are lightweight and easy to store, making them perfect for home workouts, traveling, or even outdoor exercise sessions. They can be used to perform a variety of exercises targeting all major muscle groups, including squats, bicep curls, tricep extensions, and lateral band walks. Additionally, they are highly effective for rehabilitation, helping individuals recover from injuries by providing controlled, low-impact resistance. Resistance bands also allow for progressive resistance. As you stretch the band further, the resistance increases, challenging your muscles in unique ways compared to free weights. This makes them ideal for both strength building and improving range of motion. By incorporating resistance bands into your routine, you can enjoy a cost-effective, adaptable, and safe way to achieve your fitness goals while minimizing the risk of injury. Number 5. Weight benches, foundation for upper body strength. Weight benches are an essential component of any strength training setup, providing a sturdy and versatile platform for a wide range of exercises. They are particularly valuable for upper body workouts and supporting exercises such as bench presses, shoulder presses, and tricep dips. A quality weight bench not only enhances the effectiveness of these exercises, but also ensures safety and proper form. One of the key benefits of using a weight bench is its ability to facilitate a greater range of motion. This allows for deeper muscle engagement and more effective workouts. Adjustable weight benches take versatility to the next level by enabling users to modify the angle for incline, flat, or decline positions. This adjustability helps target specific muscle groups, such as the upper chest during incline bench presses or the lower chest during decline presses. In addition to traditional weightlifting, weight benches can be used for bodyweight exercises and core training. For example, you can perform step-ups, Bulgarian split squats, or even ab crunches with the bench as a stable base. When selecting a weight bench, it's essential to consider factors like build quality, weight capacity, and padding comfort. By incorporating a weight bench into your routine, you can create a comprehensive and efficient strength training program that supports your fitness goals. Elevate your fitness journey. Incorporating the right gym equipment into your fitness routine is a game changer. The treadmill, dumbbells, stationary bike, resistance bands, and weight bench each bring unique benefits to the table, catering to various aspects of physical fitness. Together, they create a well-rounded approach to achieving your health and fitness goals, whether you aim to improve cardiovascular endurance, build strength, or enhance overall flexibility. The beauty of these tools lies in their adaptability. They accommodate a wide range of fitness levels and goals, making them accessible to everyone from beginners to seasoned athletes. Moreover, understanding how to use them effectively can help prevent injuries, maximize results, and keep your workouts engaging and enjoyable. Investing in quality equipment and learning how to use it correctly is a long-term commitment to your health and well-being. As you embark on or continue your fitness journey, remember that consistency and balance are key. Mix and match these essential tools to create a routine that challenges and motivates you. With dedication and the right equipment, you're well on your way to achieving a stronger, healthier, and more vibrant you. Let these tools empower your workouts and unlock your full fitness potential. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful tips.